Alright, looks like we got shocks in for today. We're going to do the WL first. Now these ones, these are small, but they're hard to push. What we're going to try and do is draw them in, and they got this way the spring is that it's hard and then it gives. So, I was watching a video on it, and I figured I'd try it out on the basher, see what happens, because she bottoms out all the time. So I figure I'll try and put it in. Supposed to be front and back, but they all look the same. Now, I thought they were a little bigger than this. They said they were 102 millimeter, but definitely not. Not even close, because these are 80 millimeters. But I knew that, you know, optical illusion on them. Anyways, fortunate misfortune. I kind of like them, and we'll make them work. At least I don't think they're different. Yeah, they look all the same. So they come with those. They feel like they're already got oil flow. We'll check them just to make sure. I know that the other ones we got, the WLs, these ones definitely, I opened them up. There's nothing in them, so we gotta add those. It comes with all new hardware, hex nuts, so we'll replace them with hex. You know, start with the front. I'm not sure how well these are going to work on there with these, but we'll make it work. Should be no problem in the back. I'm a little worried about them being short, too short in the back, which in that case, then what I'll probably do is take these springs and put them on these front ones and put them in the back because they're shorter, but I'd rather not. We'll see what it looks like. Experiment. See how it drives for her. Probably end up fast forwarding through a lot of this. So they're a little shorter. They're not that much different actually on the front, but in terms of where the cup goes. I think these are the same. Same size. Yeah, they'll be fine. Make sure that fits. We're gonna end up doing is moving these both. Move this one up, and then this one we're gonna move forward to the shorter position. We'll see how it goes. Pop these in. Flat. We'll see how it does at the skate park. Well, I'm not sure I like these. They're pretty stiff and they bounce a lot. So this is trial and error for me. I'm going to put the lighter springs on the shorter shocks and see if that makes a difference. I don't know. I just don't want it to bottom out anymore, but I also don't want her bouncing. It's concrete, so maybe I'll let it fly. And I'll put the other shocks together. Put all these together and put some oil in them. And if I don't like it, I'll switch them out. Till next time, see ya.